Oh no, I have to create another video, otherwise my channel will stop growing. I kind of feel anxious and overwhelmed. What should I do? Have you ever felt this way? Stay tuned throughout the video to get my top 7 tips on how to avoid burnout on YouTube. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Lots of YouTube creators constantly feel the pressure to upload content to the channel, otherwise they think their channel won't grow. Have you ever felt this way, where you've tried to force yourself to be creative and end up staring at a blank screen because you couldn't think of any content to create? Let me know in the comments below if you ever suffered from YouTube burnout. Here are my top 7 tips to avoid YouTube burnout. Number 1, plan ahead. Create a running list of topics in a Google spreadsheet so you'll never run out of ideas and end up looking at a blank computer screen. I use the notes feature of my iPhone to jot down ideas when I'm out and about. As the ideas come to mind, I put them on my phone. This helps me to remember the ideas when I get back to my office. Number 2, batch script your videos. I typically create a script for my video so I can stay on track with my content instead of waffling on, which causes people to leave. Instead of just thinking about one video, think about a series of videos based on a particular theme. This makes it easier to create several scripts at once and shoot all your videos in one day. Number 3, batch shoot your videos. Instead of thinking about just shooting one video, think about shooting 3 or 4 videos in a row. This will save you a lot of time and you'll be able to get it finished in one day. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to create several scripts. But as I mentioned before, if you stick to one theme, then it's easy to create several scripts. Another thing to keep in mind is to pick one location. It could be inside your office or it could be outside. If you're outside, you can just change scenes between different videos. If you have a script with you, then you can stay on track with your content instead of just waffling on. Number 4, edit your videos in time blocks. You often find it gets too stressful if you try to edit your videos all in one day. Instead, pick 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon and 2 hours at night. The important thing is to conserve your energy by doing it in time blocks. If you edit your videos throughout the week, you won't get stressed out. Another thing to keep in mind while you're shooting your videos is to shoot some B-roll as well as take some pictures for your thumbnails. This will save you having to shoot some B-roll later or take some pictures later for your thumbnails. Number 5 is to optimize your videos before publishing them. You can also do this in time blocks so you don't have to do it all at once. If you've edited several videos, then you have several videos to optimize. This might take time, so you might want to also do this in time blocks. Just keep in mind you've got to optimize your title, description, tags, and thumbnail for your videos. Number 6, promote your videos to increase exposure. After you publish your video, your work has just begun. Make sure you promote your videos on your social media sites, your website, and your email list. I find it's best to do this within the first 24 hours so you get that view velocity to your videos. If you get a lot of engagement on your videos, then it's a higher chance that YouTube will promote your videos to other people's channels. Number 7, pace yourself. YouTube's a marathon, not a sprint. So you need to prepare for the long journey. If you know you're going to publish content several times a week for months and years to come, then you need to take regular breaks. Take breaks throughout the day. For instance, I go for a run every day to recharge my batteries, relieve stress, and to get new creative ideas for future videos. Every few months, you might want to take a break, like go on vacation. For example, I recently took a 4-week vacation to New Zealand with my daughter and thoroughly enjoyed it. It also helped me to recharge my batteries, think up new creative ideas for future videos, as well as make new plans for the next quarter of the year. If you pace yourself, you'll protect your sanity and be able to upload on a consistent basis. I highly recommend it. Let me ask you a question. Do you struggle to publish videos on a regular basis? If that's a yes, watch my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.